Lahat po considered as resource person and witness. Lahat po naman kayo, lahat resource person ba eh. Wala pa naman po tayong tinatawag na lahat po considered as resource person pa naman.
Right. Opo. Ang nasa rules ninyo, witnesses lang po ang nag-o-oath. Wala po kayong rules sa resource persons.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Nataranta na! Nataranta!
You're a witness. Pareho na rin yung witness and source person. They are not the same. The Supreme Court says they are not the same.
Lumapit ako kay Gloria Arroyo. Sinabihan ko siya, ma'am, huwag ka na magpa-stress. Kaya ko ito.
If the Vice President refused to take her oath, we will respect that.
May I request to leave?
Ma'am, pwede naman po, considering na hindi naman din po kayo naka-oath and alam naman po namin marami rin po kayong ginagawa. The Vice President is excused.
Thank you.
Thank you po.
Thank you everyone. Good morning.
Hindi nyo mapipiga. Hindi nyo mapipiga si VP Sara Duterte. Hindi nyo mapipiga yan kasi ano yan eh. Abogado yan eh. Alam niya ang batas. Kaya huwag nyo kausapin yung may mga alam dahil mapapahiya kayo. Ha? See you in 2028. Okay?